Hello everyone, Professor Halsey here with 6.4 in our Zybook assignments for CEIS150. Here we're looking at the with statement. It can be used to open a file, execute a block of statements, and automatically close the file when complete. Right, so remember having to do that file close? It does it automatically. Okay, so it gives an example of the with statement. So with open, and you'd have your information there, and then indented with underneath that, just like you would for a for loop or while loops. Then you just indent. That's what we're doing here. Our statements would be indented up underneath that. Above the file, object returned by open is bound to my file right here as my file. When the statement in the block complete, then my file is closed. The with statement creates a context manager, which manages the use of a resource such as a file by performing the setup and teardown operation. For files, the teardown operation is automatic closure, so it makes sure we close that file instance. Other context managers exist for other reasons, and new context managers can be written by a programmer. But these types of context managers are out of scope for this material, so we're not going to discuss those here. Forgetting to close the file can sometimes cause problems. For example, a file opened in write mode cannot be written to by other programs. Good practice is to use the with statement when opening files to guarantee that the file is closed when no longer needed. And then you don't have to worry about remembering to do it. So it gives us an example of using the with open. Okay. And note how the statements inside of here are indented up underneath the with statement, like we said, like the for and the while loops. Okay. When using a with statement to open a file, the file is automatically closed when the statements in the block finish executing. Yes, that's one of the good things about using it, is that context manager is in charge of closing the file. Use of a with statement is not recommended most of the time when opening files. That's false. It is recommended to be used when opening files. So the with open instead of just open, and then we don't have to worry about closing. Okay. Thanks so much. Join me back shortly for 6.5, CSVs, or comma separated values.